Hey, everyone. This is FixProfit. I am a robot with the highest accuracy of signals, from 89 to 95%. I am a paid tool, but right now you can pick me up for free and forever with a full set of features, no limitations. The promo period is 1 month. I recommend you to hurry up. Take me for free and forever and start earning good sums. The link is in the description. And now I will show you the increase of deposit with the help of my forecasts. I start on the currency pair Euro, Hungarian Forint OTC, time frame 1 minute, market entry amount $900. My first forecast is lower. I will enter each subsequent trade for amounts in the range of $900 to $1,300. I will gradually increase the investment. And at the end of the work we will summarize the results. Now I want to tell you about the impact of social change on currency markets. Currency markets, also known as foreign exchange markets, are some of the most dynamic and liquid financial markets in the world. While they are traditionally influenced by economic indicators, central bank policies, and geopolitical events, social changes have become an increasingly important factor affecting currency movements. Social changes encompass a broad range of factors, including demographic shifts, societal trends, public sentiment, and cultural transformations. These changes can influence currency values by impacting economic conditions, market sentiment, and investor behavior. For traders on options brokers, who often deal with short-term predictions of currency movements, understanding the influence of social changes is crucial. Unlike traditional trading, where the focus is primarily on long-term trends, options trading requires an acute awareness of immediate market drivers, including social factors that may affect currency prices. Social changes refer to shifts in the attitudes, behaviors, and demographics of a society. These changes can be driven by various factors, including technology, globalization, policy changes, cultural movements, and societal values. In the context of financial markets, particularly currency trading, social changes can influence currency values through several channels. Demographic shifts. Changes in population structure, such as aging populations, urbanization, and migration patterns, can affect a country's economic outlook and, consequently, its currency value. Public sentiment and social movements. Changes in public sentiment, often driven by social movements or widespread social issues, can influence consumer behavior, investor confidence, and political stability, all of which impact currency values. Cultural and behavioral trends. Shifts in consumer preferences, technological adoption, and lifestyle changes can affect trade balances, economic growth, and currency demand. Policy reforms and societal transformations. Social changes can lead to policy reforms, such as changes in labor laws, environmental regulations, and social welfare programs, which can affect a country's economic performance and currency stability. To understand the impact of social changes on currency markets, it is essential to examine the different types of social changes and how they influence key economic variables that drive currency values. Demographic changes are among the most significant social factors influencing currency markets. As populations age, migrate, or experience changes in birth rates, these shifts can have profound effects on a country's economic growth, productivity, and currency value. Aging populations. In many developed countries, aging populations are creating economic challenges, such as increased healthcare and pension costs, reduced labor force participation, and slower economic growth. These factors can weaken a country's currency by reducing investor confidence and increasing government debt levels. For example, Japan's aging population has been a contributing factor to the persistent weakness of the Japanese yen JPY over the past decades. Urbanization and migration. Urbanization trends, particularly in emerging markets, can boost economic growth by increasing productivity, improving infrastructure, and attracting foreign investment. However, rapid urbanization can also strain resources and create social tensions, potentially leading to currency volatility. Migration patterns, such as the influx of immigrants to developed economies, can also affect labor markets and economic output, influencing currency values. Public sentiment and social movements, such as protests, strikes, and political activism, can have immediate and significant impacts on currency markets by influencing investor confidence and economic stability. Political unrest and protests. Widespread protests or political unrest can create uncertainty about a country's future economic policies and stability. For example, during the 2019 Hong Kong protests, the Hong Kong dollar experienced volatility due to concerns about political stability and the potential impact on Hong Kong's status as a global financial hub. Environmental and social movements. Movements advocating for environmental sustainability, social justice, or other societal causes can affect consumer behavior, regulatory environments, and business operations. For example, the growing demand for sustainable investments has led to increased scrutiny of countries and companies with poor environmental practices, potentially affecting their currencies. Cultural and behavioral trends, such as changes in consumer preferences, technology adoption, and lifestyle shifts, can impact trade balances, economic growth, and currency demand. The rapid adoption of new technologies, such as digital payment systems, e-commerce, and fintech innovations, can affect currency markets by changing the way consumers and businesses interact with the global economy. For example, the rise of digital currencies and blockchain technology is challenging traditional banking systems and could potentially alter currency demand and exchange rate dynamics. Consumer preferences. Shifts in consumer preferences, such as increased demand for organic products or ethical goods, can affect a country's trade balance by influencing import and export patterns. For example, a country that specializes in exporting traditional agricultural products may face currency pressure if global demand shifts toward alternative goods. So, I have completed 5 consecutive trades with a profit thanks to my accurate signals. The deposit turbo boost turned out. But I want to continue working and maximize my profits. I'm going into my 6th trade for $7,000. Let's go! Attention friends, I'm running a new contest. I will choose 2 winners who will receive $1,000 each for 1 random comment. Try your luck. You just need to watch the video from beginning to end. Subscribe to the channel, like it, and write 1 comment on the topic of trading under this video. I repeat, only those who will watch the video to the end will participate in the contest. The comment must be thematic. Only 1 comment is accepted from 1 person. Our team will choose the winners using randomizer. We will publish the results of the contest once a week in our Telegram channel. The link is in the description below this video. There is a lot of valuable information there that will help you pump your skills and develop an effective trading mindset. Subscribe soon. Guys, I want to remind you again that although I'm a paid tool, right now you can pick up the full version of FixProfit for free and forever. The promotion is valid for 1 month, hurry up. You will get unlimited signals, access to exclusive chat with analytics and forecasts from experts. Follow the link in the description, follow my instructions and start earning big money. Meanwhile, the 6th trade ends with a profit. Yes, I was right again. In that case, I will enter a new operation, doubling the investment amount. It's now $14,000. Social changes often lead to policy reforms that can have significant economic implications, influencing currency markets. Labor market reforms. Changes in labor laws, such as minimum wage increases, labor protections, or immigration policies, can affect productivity, employment rates, and economic growth. For example, reforms aimed at increasing labor market flexibility may attract foreign investment, supporting currency strength. Social welfare programs. Expansions in social welfare programs, such as healthcare or unemployment benefits, can affect government spending and fiscal policy. If these programs lead to increased government debt or reduced economic growth, they may negatively impact currency values. Understanding the mechanisms through which social changes affect currency markets can help traders better anticipate market movements and develop effective trading strategies. Social changes can directly impact investor confidence and market sentiment, which are critical drivers of currency movements. Social changes, especially those involving political or social unrest, can create uncertainty and lead to increased volatility in currency markets. Investors may react to news of protests, strikes, or policy changes by adjusting their positions, leading to rapid fluctuations in currency values. During periods of social uncertainty, investors may seek safe haven currencies, such as the USD, Swiss franc, or Japanese yen. These currencies tend to appreciate as investors move their assets to perceived safer markets, creating opportunities for traders to capitalize on currency movements. And just now I have once again completed the transaction successfully. My signals are working to the max today. I believe that now is the time to enter the maximum amount of $20,000. Working on this structure, you will become millionaires. FixProfit knows everything that the developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you. I will triple your deposit on the first day. The trust you put in me will pay for itself very quickly. Pick me up right now for free at the link in the description. You have access to me forever. You will receive unlimited signals. I am a paid instrument, and this promotion is valid for 1 month only, so hurry up. And now in front of you on the screen are screenshots with feedback from those people who trusted me and used the power of neural network to the maximum. You too can change your lives for the better and allow yourself luxurious things. Start working with me and get profitable. Link in the description. There, in the description of the video, you can also find a link to the Telegram channel with all the reviews. I can work with 30 indicators, price action, candlestick, and technical analysis. A huge advantage of FixProfit is also the ability to work with OTC currency pairs. You can make money when the exchanges are asleep, during late hours of the day, weekends, and holidays. To get a list of OTC currency pairs, send me the command /OTC in my Telegram chat. And right now another trade has closed in the plus side. I made a really huge amount of money. Let's do the final transaction. I will enter the trade with these parameters once again. I'm investing 20,000 again. Let's go. For traders on options brokers, understanding the impact of social changes on currency markets is essential for developing effective trading strategies. Monitoring social indicators and trends. Staying informed about social indicators and trends is crucial for anticipating currency market movements. Sentiment analysis tools can help traders gauge public sentiment and market reactions to social changes in real time. These tools use artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to analyze social media posts, news articles, and other text data to determine the overall mood of the market. Event-driven trading strategies focus on capitalizing on specific social events or changes that are likely to impact currency markets. These strategies require careful analysis and preparation to anticipate how markets will react to different scenarios. Social changes can create unpredictable market conditions, making diversification a key strategy for managing risk and optimizing returns. Well, here's the final result. Friends, I did an incredible thing. With the help of my signals for 9 trades, I managed to earn a magnificent amount, $61,272. This is my power. Let's work together. Put a like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.